Ready in 3, 2, 1.
Hello and welcome to the latest episode of AS21 Unboxed. Here we are unboxing our promo box from February 2018. It actually came on January 31st, so it's a real quick arrival. Let's see what we got. Alright. It was a pleasure putting together your promo box. I hope you love it, Jeff. Let's see. So we got 3 things. Rounded business cards, door hangers, and a notepad. Let's see the door hangers first. Cool. There's quite a few of them, yeah. Simple design on the back. Not sure where we can use them, but cool. We got our $10 Vistacash. New notepad. I love the watermark look. The logo looks so good as a watermark. Little bag of air. Little bag of air. And then finally, the rounded business cards. They got away from the plastic. Those are nice. Pretty nice. I have to say, once again, they give us stuff that I probably wouldn't have ordered on my own if I had thought about it. Not much need for the door hangers. Notepad's nice. And the rounded business cards look nice. I would have stuck with probably regular rectangular ones, but it still looks pretty cool. So that's it. That's our February 2018 promo box. It's a pretty good deal from what I can see some of the stuff they've been sending us, so it's only $25 to take part, so I highly recommend it. That's it. Be sure to like, share, comment below. See the past episodes on the AS21 YouTube channel, youtube.com/AS21, or our website video.as21.com. Thanks for watching.